Kublai shuboni phi baro ke perlo ke bijupen ye kene ke channel na kapor shakapor. Akane ke video ngidan panwan ra IP ya ki kam ke balai apo kamegalia state rural livelihood society. Dikino kino ki bukwa ban apply ngakar pa di phi bentepe ye kene ke video na do bastang do pandukot. Digi total number of posts kidan nyotli ki balai apo jongka MSRLS. Ka MSRLS ke code application nak bentaki citizens jong ka megalia ban pendap ya kini gi post apo jong ka DMMU. Ki candidate pila ban submit ya ki application ki jong pi ha ka online mode. Link ba kene ka link jong kene ka MSRLS ya ka link in sebu apo jong ka description. Kelas date ban apply ke day R4 3 August R hajar R Begini ki deki kerteng jong ki post bat ki salary. Temantangin penyok ya ki kerdan pulih berankam. Kerteng jong ke post ka benkong ke district functional specialist institution building capacity building kawai ke post ke na ke pentaki khasi region kerdan pulih. Postgraduate degree, postgraduate diploma, degree in rural development, social work, agriculture, science. Kabli tu dah ke university minimum 3 years experience hak development and poverty alleviation program. And should have worked with the SSG community organization and cooperative. Baru kibadan ya ke experience hak training rural mass ki kamjit ya kita ki candidate but kibadan ya ke computer skills karta kalong live husnam but ke salary ke live kundai jar hak shibanai kompos ke bar ke district specialist information technology dan artli ki post ke na ke bentai ki Garo region. Tigini gideki kerdan pule postgraduate degree ka computer science information technology computer application minimum 3 years experience haka MIS management data analysis and reporting proficiency in MIS software system and tools such as ERP and BI computer skills on MS packages Google Suite etc proficient in troubleshooting and support having experience in application and technical management expert and also in designing, developing and maintaining software application with practical knowledge. Salary kedai live kundai jar hak shibana. Post district MIS coordinator livelihood promotion artli ki post kawai Garo kawai khasi. Postgraduate degree hak technology nang ta postgraduate hak computer science information technology or computer application kabli tu dak university. Arts nam ke experience hak data entry but MIS management data analysis and reporting proficient in MIS software system and tools such as ERP and BI computer skills hak MS packages Google Suite etc karta kalong live posnam salary live puih jar arspa shibanai kaba saw ke young professional hak food nutrition health and wash lightly ki post ke na bantai ki khasi region. Kerdan pulih postgraduate degree hak education, public health, home science, nutrition and dietetics, social work, nursing or related field kabli tu dari university minimum 6 ke experience hak early childhood development, education, health and social rural development. Salary kedai R15,000 hak shibanai. Tega district accountant assistant artli ki post kedai nak bentai ki khasi region. Dikene kedai ki kerdan pulih degree hak commerce, experience 6 hak account and financial management, working tally prime, computer skills, MS packages with Google Suite, bat kerta kalong live 6, salary R4R shispa shibanai. Tegar komen apply kedai online ya ke link bapin apply ngin sebuah opo jong ke description. Begini gide gijing.com na ke benta bapin lay ya ke online application. Pila am screenshot dan download ya ke advertisement apo description jong ke video. Kala da pidan kijing kali pila ban komen apo comment section jong ke video. Kublai shubon.